Hi everyone. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a simple EMI calculator in Tableau. So for that, I'm taking a dummy sheet. So this has a principal, a rate, and period in years. So principal is 1 lakh rupees, rate is 12%, and period is, let's say, 1 year. So now what I'll do is I'll import this sheet in Tableau. So we can see the three columns. Now, if I move on to the next sheet, I'm getting these three columns once again. So for now, to create an EMI calculator, we do not need these three columns, but we need to create some parameters so that we can take inputs from the user. So let's name it as input principal. Data type, let's say for integer. Current value is 1 lakh. Okay. Display format is automatic. Okay. Let's keep it as range. Minimum is 1 lakh. Okay. Maximum is 1 crore. And set values from principal. Okay. When workbook opens, okay. And if I right click and click on show parameters, I can see the input principal. Okay. And we can edit it up to 1 crore. Let me edit it. Okay. Similarly, we can create input rate. Current value is 12. Let's keep it as range from 1 to 100. And last one is create period. Okay. But let's keep it as an integer. Current value is 1. Let's keep it as range from minimum 1 to maximum 30 years. Right click and show parameter. Okay, so we have got these three input periods. Now we have to create a calculated field called as EMI. So just before that, let's add these three fields in the sheet. So I'll add input period. Let's add some given column, principal, and then I'll add period in years. I'll just reverse this. Okay. And now I'll add input period as well. Let's create a table before that. I'll add input principal. Principal. Okay. Then input rate and input period. Okay. And I'll just exclude these two columns. So now we have input principal, input period, and input rate. Okay. Now let's create a calculated field called as EMI. And based on the formula, P into R into 1 plus R raised to N, and then 1 plus R into N minus 1. So I've created the below formula as well. I'll paste it in the description. So just copy this and I'll paste it and I'll apply. Okay. And I'll even import it over here. So now for 1 lakh rupees at 12% for a period of 1 year, we are getting EMI of 8,000. Now let me increase the input principal to 2 lakh. Parameter. I'll increase it to 2 lakh rupees. It's not editable, but I'll make it as all for now. So if I change this, my EMI changes to 17,770. We can even play with the rate. And it is working. So rename this sheet as EMI Calculator. And we can also make some changes. We can edit the alias. And then period and years. And for rate, I'll also add rate percent. And we can even edit the title over here. Then period and years. Okay. Yeah, so this is how we can create a simple EMI calculator in Tableau. Thank you and see you soon.